Morning.
I'm just dog leave come to getting the answer.
So you finally reach.
Yes, Chris. I finally reach. So what is the magazine?
Who that? Auntie Patsy.
It's that.
I mean, Miss Patsy.
Oh, you get it. Hi, little lady. You busy? But must send me a forward money to make sure send me buy your Christmas gift.
Okay, I understand.
Well, I'm sure you have one other things to tell me. So come. Start talking about things then.
Well, we win my cheerleading competition.
Oh, yes. Hey, that counts your celebration, you know.
So, Patsy, me never tell you that.
Hello, sir. Female conversation, Zoranin. Hearing it from you is different from hearing it from she. Different.
Yes, Daddy, the females are talking.
Excuse me.
Your excuse. Anyways, so what would it say? Talk to me, what else?
After the competition, I spray my foot under the camera guy doctor.
What's a good daddy?
Then about 2 weeks after I enter dance contest, I'm a win P6 grader.
Hi, friend, uncle.
Yes.
What's a good daddy? Tell me more.
And that never enter a competition, you know.
Really?
But just give him the baby face and tell him to go on.
You mean the same baby face as a teacher?
Yes, it's him one.
Oh, so you.
And I heard time yet. The females are talking. Anyways, so as you say, you give the baby face and then you mash up a competition. Yeah, talk to me.
Yeah, I mash it up.
Alright, so show me when I move them in my top. Long. Why? Alright, watch dancer. Hey, boy. Long.
We don't need to disturb, you know, but we need to talk.
Yes, sir. So that's too fun. Anyways, Destiny, sweetie. Let's all catch up on the dance movie. Anyway, to show me a thing.
Alright.
Alright. What's that? So what is it? They draw them stop work?
Patsy, let me ask you something. Why you avoid?
Why you are avoid cleaning?
Patsy, my clothes clean. The place clean, we just never pack them out.
Oh, so you want to watch them for you? Or which one? Annie?
Answer my question. Why you avoid?
Me busy.
So busy you couldn't stop by one evening?
At Christmas time now. Not even nobody Christmas could I go. Everybody want me at it. You know this.
You know, so we have some things to discuss, right?
Discuss? You mean you have some questions to answer?
Yeah, me I say no. A discuss, we are going to discuss. This is not an interrogation.
Okay, sir.